let's dive into the enchanting world of Minecraft, specifically focusing on changing enchantments in the enchantment table on Bedrock Edition. You've crafted your enchantment table, but the enchantment options aren't quite what you're looking for. What do you do next? The bane of every Minecrafter's existence, unwanted enchantments. You finally gathered enough XP, but the options are lackluster. There's nothing more frustrating than seeing Bane of Arthropods when you need sharpness for that epic Ender Dragon battle. The key to changing enchantments is to reset the options. This involves enchanting a low-value item like a wooden sword or a book. By doing this, you clear out the current enchantments and generate a new set for your desired item. Always keep a stash of junk items around for this exact purpose. Stack them in your inventory so that whenever unwanted enchantments show up, you don't waste precious resources. It's a necessary evil, but one that'll keep your sanity in check. Pro tip, you can cycle through enchantments multiple times without too much XP loss. Level 1 enchantments are cheap, making it easier to refresh your options until something useful comes along. Keep cycling until the stars align. Did you know the enchantment table draws from a seed value? Each seed generates different options, meaning you have a pseudo-random chance of getting what you want. This randomness can be your friend or your worst nightmare. Embrace it with patience. Bookshelves are crucial when trying to change your enchantments effectively. With more bookshelves, you'll unlock higher level enchantments. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility and the need for precise bookshelf placement. Another common pain point is insufficient XP levels, and stockpile those levels as high as possible. Before attempting to change enchantments, going on mining sprees and mob hunts preps you for that big enchanting day. Remember, higher levels, better walk-in rates. Are you dealing with inventory clutter? Consolidate unneeded enchanted items through a grindstone. Not only do you clear space, but you also regain some XP in the process. Efficiency is everything when managing your Minecraft resources. Ditch the enchantment table if it's consistently uncooperative. Consider the Anvil for specific enchantment tweaks to existing gear using enchanted books. This route might be a tad resource heavy, but can save you from undesirable enchantments. Bringing enchanted books into the mix provides another angle. Craft them with your enchantment table. Then apply to gear using an anvil. This method gives you more control over what enchantments go where. It's all about strategy, fellow crafters. Stack that enchanting knowledge for your next Minecraft session. Whether you're prepping for boss battles or just looking to optimize your mining gear, altering enchantments is a game changer. That it's so not because remember, Minecraft is about trial and error. Experimentation and patience consistently lead to success. Keep tweaking and enchanting until your diamond sword is as sharp as your skills. And may your adventures be as limitless as your creativity, fellow players.